So we got Dusty out, and we're just out running errands. She's doing really well. She had a little cough when we got her, and that seems to be all but over, which is typical. As I've mentioned previously, that kennel cough is not uncommon at the shelters. It's like a cold. So if you get a cold, you just want to make sure you take care of it. Same thing with her. We've been taking care of her, making sure she's eating and drinking. She's doing fine. We did do a little socializing today. We're real happy with how she did with the other dogs. No major issues. She's going to make somebody a wonderful cat. And if that's you, just please submit that application. And if you can't adopt, if you like and share, that will help her out too. Right? Such a cutie. You're so cute. Let's go.